Public speaking is scary, right? You stand at, you look at people, and suddenly your brain says, sorry, no words today. Yeah, that happens to me before. One time, I want to present and my mind just went blank. I look at my notes like, please, help me. It was so awkward. But later, I realized something important. Public speaking is not about being perfect, it's about using simple strategies. Today, I will share 4 easy tips to help you speak with more confidence. 1. Practice and prepare. The first lesson I learned is practice is everything. Before, I thought reading my notes 1 or 2 times was enough, but it was not. Now, when I prepare a speech, I practice many times. The first time, I make many mistakes. The second time, I focus my words again. The third time, I feel a little better. And by the fifth time, I feel ready. Sometimes I record myself on my phone. When I watch the video, I notice many things. Maybe I speak too fast. Maybe I don't smile. Maybe I don't look at the audience. One time, I practiced my speech 5 times before presenting. And guess what? I still felt nervous. But this time, I was more confident because I knew what to say. So remember this, being nervous is normal, but preparation gives you control. 2. Know your audience. The second tip is to understand your audience. Before I make a big mistake, I use difficult words in my presentation because I want to sound smart. But when I look at the audience, they look confused. Some people start listening. That moment taught me a big lesson. Now, before I speak, I already ask myself, who am I speaking to? Are they beginners, students, or professionals? For example, when I teach English learners, I use simple words and clear examples. And I can see it on their face. They understand me better. They feel comfortable. When you know your audience, your message becomes clear and strong. 3. Organize your speech clearly. The third one is to organize your ideas. Before, my speeches were messy. I talk about too many things. I had too many ideas. Even I got confused. Sometimes I stopped and thought, what should I say next? It was not a good feeling, but now I follow a simple structure. Beginning, middle, ending. In the beginning, I introduce the topics. In the middle, I explain my main ideas. At the end, I give a strong message. I also write short notes to guide me. And something interesting happened. When my ideas became clear, my confidence became stronger too. Simple structure creates strong communication. 4. Start strong and end strong. The last one is very powerful. Your openings and your ending are the most important parts. Before, I used to start like this. Today, I'm going to talk about. Honestly, it was boring. Now, I start with a question, a short story, or something interesting. Something that makes people think I want to listen. And for the ending, I don't just say thank you. I try to give a message people remember. One time, I ended my speech like this. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today. And after that, some people came to me and said, I really like your last sentence. This is when I understood. A strong ending stays in people's mind. So, if public speaking feels scary, you are not alone. I was there too. But step by step, you can improve. Next time you have a chance to speak, don't run away. Stand at, speak at, even if your voice shakes. Because the more you speak, the better you become. And one day, you will stand there and you won't feel afraid anymore. Because your voice matters. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments what is your biggest fear in speaking. Let's improve together.